Kia ora. My name is Olesia.
And Mo'ato Winton School, I'm Lucy. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rā Pare, the 26th of Mow-vember.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Kia ora to students wearing them to and from school. Everyone needs to wear one.
And a reminder about wearing your sun hats at interval and lunchtimes. Anyone outside without a hat goes under the shade.
Touch news. Listen carefully, please. Year 1 and 2 teams, Wipeouts, Wiggles and Cheetahs, please meet in the junior lunch area at 12:45.
Year 3 and 4 teams, Whirlwinds, Tigers and Leopards, meet outside the library at 12:45.
And Year 5 and 6 teams, Cougars and Lions, meet over the road.
Check out the noticeboard for team info and the draw. Kia ora.
Okay, let's get into te Kupu or te Wiki. This week's word is toru, which is te reo for 3.
As in I toru ngā mea, there are 3 things.
Ngā mea nunui, e kia ana.
And remember, tomorrow is Slurpees and Sausage Sizzle Day. Get your stamps from the library before school.
Okay, birthday news. Toru birthdays today at Winton School.
Jack Keith is all pakeke today and is turning the big 8.
Paige Cooney is turning 12 today.
And Corey Ross Keneally hits the big time. She's 13.
Happy birthday everyone. Rā whānau kia koutou. Have a great day.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Haere rā and share the shed Winton School.